breathing technique called Anulom Vilom. Anulom Vilom is the alternate nasal breathing technique. Right side of our human body is the sun side, ha side. The left side is the moon side, ha side. Anulom Vilom will balance your entire nervous system, will bring instant relaxation, and it's suitable for anyone and everybody. Doesn't matter if you have low blood pressure or high blood pressure. Let's do it together and make sure you do it every day. So, very simple. Your right hand, right thumb on your right nostril, press it gently. The two fingers, the index and the middle, goes between the eyebrows, your sixth energy center. Your left is open at the moment. Breathe in through the left. Breathe in completely and fully, and with your ring finger, close your left nostril and exhale through your right nostril. Okay, alternate. Once you exhale completely through your right nostril, breathe in again through your right nostril. Close your right nostril with your thumb. Exhale through your left nostril. This is one cycle. Okay, so let's do it together again. Breathe in through the left. Close your left. Keep both your nostrils closed for 2 seconds or 3 seconds. Exhale through your right. Breathe in through your right. Close your right. Exhale through your left. And let's continue. So make sure you incorporate breathing techniques every single day in your life. It's a game changer. Okay? You can change the entire structure of your energy. More vitality, more clarity, more dynamism, more zest for life. And it's worth it. Yoga, a way of life. Follow us more on YouTube. Thank you very much. Have a phenomenal day. See you. Namaste.